Hey guys, welcome to another AI tutorial. For today, we're going to create an amazing detailed dragon style artwork with SDXL. So this is the thing that we're going to do for the day. So this is the SDXL dragon style Laura, and we're going to be trying to come up with something that is similar to this one. I think this looks amazing. Take a look at those guys. See? Okay, this is like half dragon something. And then this is a fish dragon. So yeah, oh, and you can also kind of like mix it with an animal. So this is something that we're going to try playing with today. So these are some of the pictures below. And then yes, we're going to try and do this one. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to clear this one and then we're going to try to create a workflow from the start. Okay, first things first, I'm going to try to add a loaders. So this is a load checkpoint. So I am going to use SDXL base 1.0. And then the next thing is I'm going to add a clip. So this one. Clip set last layer. So I'm going to set this one to -1. And then I'm going to just basically connect it here. And then the next thing that I'm going to do is a LoRa. All right, there you go, LoRa loader. So I'm going to connect this one here. And then the LoRa that I'm going to be using is this one. This is the DT style, or basically this one, Dragon style SDXL LoRa. And then we're going to proceed with the next one. I'm just going to add here something. Flip text encode. Okay, there you go. And then still basically connect it there. And yeah, I forgot. We're going to connect the model here. Okay, and we were going to proceed. So we're going to be adding our positive prompt here, and I'm also going to try another thing. Oops. Okay, there you go. Yeah, just something like that. And the next thing that I'm going to try to add is a sampler. So I'm going to try to use a simple sampler, this one, and then I'm just going to connect this here, and then the positive and also my oops. Alright, so that's my negative. And then I'm going to try to add a latent image. So an empty latent image. Okay, something like that. And then I'm going to try to resize this one. So basically the size that I'm going to be using for this one is the width is going to be a little bit smaller. There. And then for the height, there you go. And then for the batch size, I'm going to try to increase this one. I want to try to come up with around 6 pictures. All right, there you go. Now, another thing that I'm also going to add is VAE decode. There you go. And then I'm going to connect this with a VAE loader. So the VAE loader that I'm going to using is this one. SDXL VAE safe tensors. All right. And then we're going to proceed. So I'm going to choose a preview image first because I want to see how it looks before we are going to continue. Okay, let's try to check. So we have our model, and then our clip set last layer, -1, LoRa, and then the prompts for positive and negative. Okay, and then latent image. All right, so there you are. So yes, this is my latent image. It's already connected. And then VAE. Okay. And yeah, I think we're all set. So next thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to basically add something here. So this is going to be my positive prompt. And then another thing is for my negative prompt. Okay, there you go. So basically I want to create something in the fire essence, kind of like a fire dragon style. So we're going to try to see if it will work. Oh yeah, I forgot this one. Okay, there you go. And then let's try to see. All right. Seems like it's running, so we're going to try to observe from here on. Alright, so now we already have our images. So wow, take a look at these. Alright, so I'm going to try to open this one in a new tab. Wow, this is the head. That's amazing. Wow. Take a look at that detail. That's really amazing. This one has kind of like a 2 heads. Same thing here. Wow, amazing. Same thing here. Wow. Alright, there you go. So I believe this is the best picture. Or maybe this one. I think this is also good. Yeah, so basically that's how you're going to do it. Wow, these are amazing images. And yeah, that's how you're going to create an SDXL Dragon style Laura. Congratulations guys, now you have a new workflow for you to play with. So I hope you enjoyed this video and have a good day.